We recently completed phase one of re-roofing our 30,000 square foot building. We have three phases, and I contacted Guardian and Andrew to come out and kind of evaluate our situation. Andrew was incredibly professional and thorough in looking at our roof, in looking at all three phases that we were thinking about at the time, gave us a very prompt estimate for all three phases, and I was even able to make some modifications through that process in the beginning to allow the estimate to reflect precisely what we wanted to do with our roof. So we moved ahead with Guardian Roofing on phase one of our roof, and they completed it in 1 week's time, which many people were amazed at, including myself. Throughout the process, Juan was our supervisor on site. Not only was he professional, he was incredibly kind and considerate, notifying me of some additional issues on the roof and surrounding areas, but also going out of his way and out of the crew's way to take care of our property, take their leaf blowers and clean up and blow leaves in the parking lot. That was definitely not part of their responsibility, but just going way above and beyond for us, their customer. I am very much satisfied and even thrilled with Guardian Roofing, with my experience with Andrew, with Juan, and with everyone. I not only highly recommend them to friends and family, I already have. Thank you, Guardian.